This is going to be a real easy, quick one. How to replace the belt in the power head for a Kenmore vacuum cleaner. First, we start by removing the cover, as there's 2 screws on either side of the light bulb that need to come out. And no, I'm not changing the light bulb on it, even if it's blown. I'm not making any money on this, believe me, so I'm not putting any more effort into it than I have to. A couple of screws come out. Then using a flat blade screwdriver, you have to pry the top cover off. Then it's just a matter of lifting out the end of the power brush and slipping the belt over. And then placing it around the motor before reinserting the power brush. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. Yeah, this unit's pretty dirty. It's not mine. But that's okay, because once the thing powers up, all that dirt will get swept away and sucked up into the vacuum. Top cover goes back on. Two screws go back in, and finally the top cover is snapped and placed. Now that's power. That's how you change a belt on one of these old Kenmore vacuum cleaners.